Very good afternoon, folks. Now, we have a couple of things to tell you. I've got myself a lottery ticket for tonight. So if that comes up, what have we got? 24, 28, 29. Ooh, 33, 44 and 55. Ooh, I say. Right, I've also got this new eating experience here, folks. This is a Doner baba pies. And it's only got a baba sauce in it and a doner meat. Oh, I can see the red sauce there. Look at it, I see it's dripping out the side, so we're going to try that. It might be a bit too hot to try just now. We have to let it cool a bit, and then we shall let you know how it is. All right, here we are in trying this doner. Well, quite sweet. A bit of spice coming through, a bit of heat. The crust is good. The filling, I thought it would just be like doner meat, but it seems to be minced. Yeah, it's quite it's like the heat you get when it's like a fake sort of spice, you know what I mean? Well, it's quite Moorish though. It's a weird sort of combination. It's like quite sweet, almost like a, don't know, like a, well, it's not bad. But I said it's that fake heat that makes your nose run straight away. But then it's quite hot in the back of my throat now as well. But again, you just keep eating this. It's would I have it again? Yeah, probably. It's something different. It's quite. I like the crust. The crust is nice and crispy, and the innard's got that nice sweet, but a hot. I mean, it doesn't actually taste very meaty, if you know what I mean. I thought it was just going to be like doner meat, but some bits start falling off. Well, on the almost, sir. I think I'll give it a 7. Yeah, a 7, but I would eat it again, yeah. Thank you. I forgot to add, it's obviously made with the baba sauce. The baba sauce, that the red hot pepper stuff. You can definitely taste that in this. That baba sauce is awesome, I love that. Yeah. Oh, we finished it, so that's a good sign. Oh, miserable day, man. Thunder and lightning. Well, I don't know if it's lightning, definitely thundering. I was calling the bingo. A big boom of thunder came out. Everybody's going, ooh, what's that? Lovely, very nice.